Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this mirror photo booth effect on CapCut PC. So select your video and right click copy, right click paste, then select the mirror button. You're then going to select mask and just split the video in half, either this way or this way. I think the filter has both effect, so you can either do it this way or this way. I'm just going to do this way because the effect is like that. Maybe do it the other way. So it's totally up to you which way you want the filter to be, but this is what the photo booth filter looks like when you're very close to the left or the right side. But if you just want it to be mirrored without it joining like this, you can do that. You're just going to want to go back to basic, and I think I'm going to delete this first and move this to the left, and then I will copy and paste it and then move that to the right. But I'm just going to select mirror, and then I'm going to select mask and select the split and split it this way, and just kind of move it to the middle and feather it out just a little bit, and you'll have this mirror effect. But that is basically it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!